Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you very much for listening to this YouTube channel. Thursday, it's a rainy Thursday today. Our market closed lower today, down 55.73 points, or down 0.84% to close at 6,560.22. Value turnover is at 3.6 billion pesos. So no fresh catalyst. So expect market to just trade sideways until probably next week on MSCI rebalancing. Uh, So Ayala, of course, we know will have a massive inflow. But let's see if this will catapult Ayala to above 700 pesos. But week, yung market natin, Converge is dropping below 11 pesos. It's a new 52-week low. SGP is also being investigated, as we all know naman na cash cow talaga siya. And instead of using their earnings to upgrade the system, or at least enhance to fix the problem, no? they're distributing as they're distributing it as dividends. No? Cash cow talaga tong NGCP, no? So, in fact, yan yung tinitira ng government, NGCP, no? And of course, SGP is the listed company that owns NGCP. So, talagang for the past ilang years, they've been distributing the retained earnings. 75% of the retained earnings are being distributed as dividends, no? Of course, the government can review the franchise, no? Of course, uh, investors are mad. No? Kasi syempre, the stock price is going down. But if honestly, if you're looking at the bigger picture, may abuse talaga eh. No? This is also the reason before, no, someone asked me why I'm avoiding SGP. It's because of these kinds of issues. Although their franchise is valid until 2036, uh, the government can just review kung may mga violations sila. No? And of course, with several uh, power outages, yan, it's valid for the government to take charge against NGCP. Biruin mo, if you earn 25 million or 25 billion, 75% of that will be distributed as dividends. Cash cow. So there's time na mas malaki pa yung dividend nila than their net income. Crazy. Anyway, Asian, no? Like we said, no? Filed a shelf registration for preferred shares offering. I think this will be launched next month, no? June. Converge is weak. Ion and Picor is also trading at a new 52-week high. Remember last March, no? uh, I tweeted a blind item. I'm also in Twitter, no? So, sabi ko nga, how will Ramon ang fund this massive Bulacan airport? No? Of course, uh, the most logical uh the most logical way is to borrow money from the bank. But remember, ang taas ng interest rate sa market, no? 10%, 11%. So, mahirap eh. It's a very ambitious project, Bulacan Airport. So, definitely, one has to go. No? So, pili na lang kayo dyan which stock Ramon Ang is willing to let go. Petron, FP, GSMI. So, it's a matter of which company. No? So, good luck. I don't have PCOR, no? So, let's see. We have GSMI, but diba, good luck, no? It's a new 52-week high. The problem with PCOR is really uh, how much are how much is Ramon Ang willing to let go of Petron, no? Of course, he bought Petron 2008, no? So, it was owned by a different group, no? It was listed 1994. It's one of the biggest IPO during that time. No? Crazy. Maliit yung market before, but mga parents natin, no? Yan talaga, if you have Petron before 1994, 1995, sikat ka. Yan yung peg nila. So, Ion is also trading at the new 52-week high. No? So it's a turnaround company after dismal performances the past few years. Remember, I remember trading Ion before, no? It went to as high as 4 pesos. Pero hindi ko na binilikan yan eh. By the way, no, PHA, no, announced yun nga, a private investor, si Ernest Young, won the auction, no, for their delinquent shares of Marvin de la Cruz. No? So eventually, Mr. Young will have around 24% stake in PHA. So let's see if ito na talaga. So mission failed with the reverse takeover of Marvin de la Cruz. Wala palang pera yan. No? So anyway, Uni Oil and a listed company will be delisted from the exchange starting June 23. No? Si PCOP, no? PCP. Involuntary delisting for several multiple violations. So even Alphaland, I remember before Alphaland was also involuntary delisted. So at least TSE is doing something. ASEN signed a subscription agreement to additional shares in Nature's Renewable Energy Development Corp. No? So FYI lang. They're also offering preferred shares next month. Dito continues to drop. So good luck to Dennis Uy holders. No, we all know naman Dennis Uy is not doing well in this market, in this administration. In fact, wala nga siya doon sa Malampaya franchise extension last week sa Malacanang. No? So, even his stock price is tanking. His PNX is suspended. So, good luck. FGen, by the way, no, drop below 20 pesos. No? So, that's the problem with this kind of market. No? Pag naglabas ng blind item, people fear on missing out. No? It went to as high as 21. So now it's now trading below 20 pesos. But they're participating in the government's green energy auction this June. So we all know naman eh. If there's a tender offer, FGen goes up. If there's no tender offer, price goes down. So it's a matter of meron or wala. So we don't have FGen. But we're monitoring this since last year. So bakit wala akong FGen? I'm at this point that I'm maximizing my gains and minimizing the losses. No? Remember, I trade few times, but those few times, those are big winners. Notable winners this year are MPI and GSMI. No? It's a well documented trade here. MPI, we bought that around January, and finally, naubos ko rin yung shares ko. I was able to dispose all my shares the past few weeks. So, anyway, good luck to holders, no? So, if MPI decides to increase their tender offer, good for MPI holders. But honestly, I'm happy with my gains. So, hirap kasi yan. It's a matter of when. So, I'm shifting some of my proceeds to other stocks. No? In terms of volatility, in terms of percent upside, doon ako sa may ilalayo pa. No? I hope that's clear. So yun, Globe facility in Iloilo also shifted to renewable energy, which raises its clean energy site to a total of 20 sites. No? Anyway, low volume on nickel. EI finally corrected, no? So after that, the special block sale that happened the other day, 7 pesos. No? So of course, all stocks have pulled back, even C plus nga, no? After that overbought levels, no? It also corrected. Lahat naman may pullback. It's an opportunity to accumulate your favorite stocks at a much cheaper price. Basta may laman. No? And that's a new team. Anyway, our passcode for today is NBA Finals. No? So we're excited. Sino ba makakarap ni Denver Nuggets? No? So, makakabangon ba si Boston Celtics? So anyway, ICRL ratio, debt Kermit. So there's a question here. Again, we don't answer questions na, no? So, ito, no? Why is the director of APL selling? No? Because they're not buying. No? Again, we extensively discussed APL before. No? the reasons why we're not touching this, blah, 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 blah. No? So, yun lang. No? So, pilosopong sagot, why are the directors selling? Because they're not buying. I hope that's clear. Blueberry, Jocelyn Alcober, Jer. No? So, again, uh, why are we not answering questions na? Because answering questions leads to another question na walang kasense na. No? Remember, when we first bought GSMI, I'm not hyping that stock before, no? Or, in fact, I'm not hyping it. No? It was around 110. Sabi ko nga, someone asked them before, ano yung stock na yun? We mentioned GSMI. I was asked rin, why GSMI, not Costco? Blah, 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 this, blah, blah, this. Humaba na yan. Ayun, diba? Instead of asking why, oh, diba? Of course, APL, we extensively discussed that. No? What puzzles me is, what is Tony Teo doing with Annie? Is buying and selling at the same time. No? So just throwing commissions to the brokers. I don't even know what he's doing. Yun yung talagang hindi ko alam if you ask me what he's doing. No? So to our listeners who's bullish on agri-nurture, who thinks Annie will be going to 10 pesos, I think you are right. I think Annie will not just go to 10 pesos but also to 1,000 pesos. So let's borrow money from the bank and buy Annie. No? Yun kasi hindi ko magets what they're doing with Annie. No? Justin the Bedan, no? I agree with you, no? Sa comment mo about mega wide, no? It's a legal way of putting the one times sale of their Mactan Airport to their pockets, no? So although their order book is quite big, no? Natamaan sila, no? Under Duterte's administration, but I still remember trading mega white before from 6 pesos, 7 pesos to as high as 20 pesos. It was eventually the stake of Mike Cosican was eventually sold to SSS before, no? At a special block sale at 19, 18 pesos, no? And it happened during the time of Duterte. Build yung team ng market before. No? So let's see if EI is the mega white of this administration. No? That's very possible. No? As we all know that Bongbong Marcos is putting pressure on Senate to approve the Maharlika Fund. Michael, yan, WM, si H, Justin Dabedan, Gilbert Travisan, Yongko Shanks, Angel Erok, Francis, Lloyd Forger, Jerwa Andre Toledo, JDN, Oliver Wendelgo, Neil Macalino, Jennifer, Jason Chan, and ERC. Again, thank you very much for listening. Stay safe. Bye.